Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be having a unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. And of course guys, this is the Tab A 2019 edition. You can pick this up on Amazon. It costs less than $200. And of course, I'm just going to run you through what you get with this package. All right. So of course, you can see the front of the box that says Tab A. It comes with this plastic wrap, but I've removed it. It says Samsung here, and you get this quality assurance sticker here, so that it's an authorized distribution from Samsung. You can find Samsung Tab A on the sides, and of course, again, there's nothing around the side except serial information that you can see here. I'll blur those out. All right, and of course, you can see the back of the device. On the back of the device here, guys, you'll see the information pertaining to the specifications. And of course, I can run through the basics. Of course, this has a 32 gigabyte of RAM. The battery is a 5100 milliamp hour battery. And of course, the camera is a 8 megapixel camera. You get 32 gigabytes of internal storage. There's Wi-Fi. And of course, otherwise, it's a quad-core processor, 64-bit. And you can see the other information here pertaining to the camera. There's a 2 megapixel front camera, I think, and the main camera is 8 megapixel. And of course, it runs through most of the information, including the resolution of the dimensions of the screen and some other information. You can also install Kids Home. And of course, this tablet can work for adults as well as kids. All right, so let's get straight into what's inside of the package itself. As soon as you open this up, guys, you'll find the tablet. That's front and center. So we're gonna remove this. All right, gonna put this aside for a while. All right, and you do get this small sleeve. As you can see here, there's a SIM ejection tool. So of course, in terms of the ejection of the SIM, I think this version actually supports SIM cards, so you can actually place a SIM card in. Not all versions will support. Normally there is a SIM and a SIM-free version. I think this is the SIM version. Seeing the presence of the SIM, that means you can place in a chip, and of course your device can act as a cell phone, meaning for using stuff like WhatsApp, and of course other GSM-based services. All right. Of course, you have the guide here in another language. You have the warranty card here. So this is just the warranty and guide information. Not necessary. So we're going to close these up. All right, again guys, there's another package down here, and if we lift this up, guys, you do get this adapter brick. You can see here, this is the standard adapter brick. I'm going to place this back as well. Over here you do get the USB cable, standard again for charging and connecting your device to the computer, and otherwise that's it. This is just filler. Alright, so let me just double check to make sure. Alright, so we're correct. So it's just the documentation, SIM eject tool, and adapter. Nothing else is inside the box. These are just empty spaces. Of course, again, there is the star of the show, which is the tablet itself. Let's run through the tablet. As you can see, there's the front of the device, and this is just an unboxing video. There's the back, and of course you can see the camera right here. There is some information as to the version right here. This might be visible to you, but I'll just show it up, the information right here. And of course the back is just the plain black back and a glossy front with a front facing camera. I've already powered up this one, so let me just turn this on. And as you can see here, guys, just give you a quick look at the interface. All right, when you first get out of the box, you have to actually set it up. It's quite easy. Alright guys, let's run through the interface here. So as you can see, this is just the plain interface. Out of the box, it's quite snappy. Alright, so this is what you get. Alright guys, I have a separate video on a full walkthrough of this device and its features. As to version information, let me just quickly show you that by finding the settings option. Alright, so we can go into settings, we can go down, about tablet, There you go. This is the information on the tablet. There's a serial number. I'll blur that out. So this is just the Galaxy Tab A, the 8.0 2019 edition. It's SMT290. Alright, so that's the version of the tablet. And this is what all you get with this particular device. And of course, guys, you can pick up a case. Case is always recommended. You don't want this to be dropped and damaged. This one is reinforced. As you can see here, it's a very tough back. Exact cutouts for the camera. And as you can see here, it will hold the device very sturdily at 4 corners. And you have the clasp. And you can actually prop this up on a surface once you have the tablet here. And I'm going to put that on just to show you what it looks like. Alright, so it's on. So as you can see here, very snug fit, all 4 corners. And of course you can see the clasp. Clasp goes on nicely. Looks like a book. You can see the other side here. And of course it gives great texture. And you can prop this up on a desk. So you can see here, guys, you can actually place this up or prop this up on surfaces. Very the unboxing here. So this has been a look or a unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Samsung Galaxy Tab A. I'll put a link below. You can purchase this over on Amazon. Alright guys, Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.